it means we actually change the kernel. It means so that the existing external OSGI framework runs as the kernel, and the microcontainer is just a bundle or a bunch of bundles and services inside that existing OSGI framework. The problem is, of course, limited enterprise services that you have because of the OSGI is not really there yet, and you're missing some of the nice MC features you get from the just default AS deployment running on top of MC as the kernel. The last approach that's currently work in progress, the previous two ones you can actually already get by downloading beta 1, or you just released today, we released beta 2 with the embedded approach and runtime approach. And like I said, the facade is work in progress, hopefully going to get something for JBoss World. And this one is, what we're going to do, like it says on the slides, is going to be the core, OSGI core API is just going to be a facade on top of MC's API. Because we feel that MC itself is a superset of what OSGI does, so we're just going to do a proper facade. What it means, we're going to introduce a new component model. If you listen to Scott's talk about a mixture of different component models, this approach is just going to be another component model. It means it's going to be a new control context implementation. And you're going to, by this, you're going to get all the benefits of existing component mixture. It means that any EJBs, any MC POJOs, any MBeans will be able to declare themselves as OSGI service or mock, pretend themselves to be an OSGI service. So it's just going to be, all it's going to fall out just out of the box. The work that there's a member of the MC team, Thomas Disler, doing is there's a blueprint service, RFC 124, part of the OSGI Enterprise Expert Group. We're already implementing this RFC, and the way we're going to do it is just going to reuse existing MC's POJO model, meaning just going to introduce proper abstraction on top of B metadata. Since, like I said, most of the AS or MC is metadata driven, so this is just going to be morphing proper blueprint service into a proper B metadata. The next thing is, in order to be able to test all these different approaches, we found lack of proper testing environments. So we went out and we introduced our own. Actually, Thomas introduced our own. He's calling it Husky. What we do is we provided different abstraction layers, meaning one of them is to be able to easily change between all those two different flavors, two different implementations. The next thing is we don't actually care where the location of the tests are run. It means it's going to be easy for us to actually also test the distributed OSGI and so on. You can have it like local remote, it's all abstracted. And we also wanted to have abstraction of the test runner, meaning we don't care is it the Maven or Surefire or Ant and so on. So and it's all JUnit4 based. Okay, Scott's going to do another demo. What we're going to do is we're going to show the first approach with the embedded in AS. It's going to run in recently. You don't have the demo? Okay, I'm just going to explain what the demo should do. It would run in the latest application server that we released. Thomas provides, you can read it, there's a JBoss OSGI diary, and the whole project is really nicely shaped, and how to install those different flavors of OSGI, it's all provided by the simple installer. Just going to click on the installer whatever you want. Just going to deploy, provide the target. In this case, JBoss AS510GA, and it's like I said, it's going to just add it's going to add OSGI as a service. It's going to add proper deployers, and you're done. So, and the next thing what you do is just simply, as you did before with JBoss AS, you just drop your bundle in a deploy directory, and it's all going to be picked up by these different newly added deployers. In this case, you still have actually a proper OSGI bundle with bundle activator and so on, but we also have a -JBoss -beans XML, which means you still want MC to handle all those beans for you, like its life cycle and so on. And with like I mentioned, the proper
work delegation between the existing OSGI framework and the MC, you're still able to get all the benefits of the OSGI as the OSGI framework, plus the MC for your custom and Java services. And like I already said, beta 2 was just released today. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening.